What's up, everybody? This is Colin Dijs from Debroon. Today we have another question coming from Bharat, and he's asking, suggest networks for Nutra offers, please. All right, so let's have a look. I made a nice little list, just like I've done before with the sweepstake offers, and you can know which networks are the best for which type of Nutra offers. Let's go. But before we dive straight into content, the Debroon Suite platform beta access is now open. You can sign up through the link in the description. My super affiliate platform I'm developing, and I need beta users in order to test my landing page builder, cash flow manager, tracker, spy tool, all free while in beta for you to use, which obviously is great. Sign up through the link in the description or go to www.debroon.com/beta. But let's dive into the question. So the best Nutra networks, I've listed over a dozen for you solely because, and I will give more recommendations because this is obviously one of the biggest verticals, right? So there's a lot of different options. We'll start with straight sale. I would say definitely Yep Ads has a tremendous amount of straight sale offers. In general, the straight sale market for Nutra offers is very well represented. Straight sale meaning the user buys the product immediately, not through a cash and delivery flow, not through a trial flow, not through an online product flow with upsells and stuff. Straight sale, just this is the product and you buy it. Usually anywhere between $90 and $140, depending on what the flow looks like. Yep Ads definitely clear number one. Crazy amount of offers available in usually all the tier 1, tier 2 geos. Then and up next, and provide you with an account manager, right? Then up next comes Gotzha. A lot of tier 1 Nutra offers, mainly straight sale. Where they lack in other departments, they have quite a bit of Nutra offers on the straight sale side, primarily focused on tier 1. And you will get an affiliate manager as well at Gotzha. Then we got Mobooka, which focuses primarily on the US market, has a little bit of straight sale available, but usually high quality, high converting offers, extremely eager account managers, so they will help you with any questions you might have. Then we have Advidi. So basically, Yep Ads is obviously the clear big one, and then Gotzha, Mobooka, Advidi are kind of on the same length in terms of size of the affiliate networks. Gotzha and Advidi are obviously a lot bigger than Mobooka. But I would say Advidi as well has a good amount of offers available, primarily focused on tier 1, non-US, and then Mobooka is solely focused on the US. Then we have AffiliaXe and 5, which is personally, if you would ask me directly as an affiliate, I might put them on 2, because I just really like the network in general. A lot of different offers, but a very widespread. So a lot of health and beauty as well, a lot of diet, a lot of hair loss, very different than all the other ones which primarily focus on diet, right? So for the straight sale, obviously you also have the more common ones like Max Bounty, lower payouts because they have so many affiliates and limited amount of offers. And there are other networks out there which have a couple offers available, but these are like the big hitters if you're definitely focused on the Nutra straight sale. Then we have the cash on delivery flow, something that's really trending right now. Adcombo obviously can go wrong there. They have the crazy big amount of Adcombo offers, of cash on delivery offers. I would say my favorite thing there is that once you have a winning offer, that offer is usually available in 12 more countries, different languages, same offer, right? So you can use the same angle, just translate it, see if it attaches to the right audience, maybe change a little bit of things, if it resonates with that audience, and then you can just have crazy horizontal scaling through all these different countries. If you have a 1K per day campaign, you can scale it 12 times, 12K a day profit. That's pretty insane for this one network with very small effort, because they have so many different offers which are quite similar as well, which is also a con because picking the offer might be quite difficult, but the account managers are really helpful and they are very responsive as well. Then Clickdealer, personally one of my favorite networks, very stable, very helpful account managers. Not that much COD, but they have a lot more than a regular network, same as YapAds basically. Most of the regular networks don't really have COD, and I can say like YapAds has over 40, 50, 60 offers, I think. Clickdealer a little bit less. So maybe YapAds and Clickdealer should be turned around, but Adcombo, the clear leader. As you don't have that much choice, I would just apply to 3 of them if you are into the COD space. Then trials are obviously quite limited because of the regulations and the compliance attached to it. But for the US trials, I always go with Mobooka because they're basically the only ones trustworthy that provide US trials. And then on the other hand, non-US trials, so Europe, that kind of stuff, Canada, I would definitely go with YapAds because they have quite a big portfolio there. As I said, obviously, you also have the VSL, which I do LOL because it's not really a flow, but the VSL is basically only for the US, video sales letter style, old school. You only have ClickBank mainly and like Digistore24, which provide the kind of like old school offers. Generally only work in the US or older European tier 1 audience. Doesn't have a broad appeal like the more aggressive trial straight sale Nutra offers. These were basically my list. There's a lot of networks on here, so if you want to promote Nutra products, I'm sure you'll find your perfect fit within this amazing list of networks. If you, like Barrett, have a question, feel free to post it down below in the comments. I will make a little screenshot and I will answer your question like this in a video if it's relevant to everybody. Or obviously, like Barrett, you can post it in the Facebook group. One more thing before we go, if you're interested in joining the Debru Suite Beta, my platform, get access to the free landing page builder, tracker, spy tool, cashflow manager, sign up through the link in the description down below or go to www.debru.com/beta and I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.